Hello friends, see here, a tasty recipe here. So this is a banana milk recipe. So do you like it? It's very yummy. It's yummy. So in this video we'll make this one, how to make it, everything. Hello guys, welcome. So today we are going to do a dish which is special to us and which we can make it easily at home with milk, banana and etc. So in this lockdown we can't make like tasty recipes like chocolate milkshake or Oreo thick shake or etc. So or Faluda also. Faluda we need so many items, right? So now in this video we will discuss a small easy recipe which everyone can make it easily. So here you can see a banana here, and so I'll show you all the ingredients first. So first, for making this recipe we need banana and milk and some sugar, and if you want you can take honey also. Okay, now first steps goes is, so take the banana and peel it off. Peel it off slowly. So you need to have a knife next to you. If you want to make this dish, you can ask your adults. So peel it off slowly. Make sure that your hands are clean and enough hygiene. So now I peeled off my banana here. So see it. After peeling the banana, you must clean your hands again and only touch this because there are more germs in that. So you need to wash it. And next you have to do this step. So now I peeled it everything. So now we will go to the main process of our recipe. I am suggesting to do only adults to do this recipe. So now you need to take a knife and next a sufficient plate which will fit it. And now slowly cut the ends which are big and small. So now keep these pieces aside, and next cut in small pieces slowly and not thick. Cut it slowly. So after finishing this, so I'm slowly cutting this. Make sure that your bananas are thin, not very thick. Cut it with pieces. So here I am done with my cutting. So see it here. I have cut it into small pieces. See it here. The markings only are appearing. So after this, you need to separate them. And now, as step goes to, so keep this aside. Take the sufficient milk which you need. So I took this much milk, 3/4 of a cup. So now first we need to add this in the banana. So I am taking a spoon of sugar here. See, sugar. And also you need, how much you need, you can add that. So I'm adding 1.5 cup. So now you have to mix it. So now you mix it. After you mix, you have to check if there is a sound. You can experience the sound if the sugar is dissolved or not. So our mix is done now. So the sugar is dissolved and tasty smell is there now. Now after you mix it well, now if you want you can add any flavor to our milk. Suppose I want to add strawberry flavor. So I have this. See, strawberry Hershey's syrup. See it here. Hershey's syrup. It costs just 150 rupees. And you can add 2-3 drops for flavor, and it depends upon how much milk we are taking here. So now I will add this into this. So I added a drop and I'm going to drop other one. So now I added it. Now mix well. See here, you can see the taste. And I mixed. If you want, you can add some more to your milk to taste good. You can add any syrup, not only strawberry, chocolate or anything, depends upon you. For this much milk, like 2-3 drops are enough for our taste. We need not to take more syrup, it won't be good. So next our step is, now you can keep your syrup aside, and afterwards also you can use it to cover the bananas. Now we are done with our milk. See it here. It tastes good. Is anything left to our spoon? Nothing. So we'll keep this two aside. I have these banana pieces, right? So these are stick to each other. So I'm going to separate them with clean hands. So do not make it dirty. So if they are torn, you can do it like that. If you can't eat these large pieces, you can cut it again with a small. So I'm separating this. This recipe we can eat small children, and this is extremely sweet and tasty dessert after our eating our lunch or our dinner. So I have separated them already, and these are some smashed off. So now I take other bowl. I'm going to take off the smashed ones. If you want, you can add it also, no problem. So now how to arrange them. So I'm taking another bowl, yellow bowl. So keep it aside. And now I'll take off this and keep it into another container. And now you can arrange in the way which you like. So now I'm arranging it in good manner. So you can like it, I hope it. So like this. And now slowly arrange total. So please make you need to complete your recipe faster because bananas again rot. So I'm arranging it like this, in this manner, to taste good and appear good. And now this dessert is very simple enough. You can decorate it like this. See, now I'm arranging. So arranging is completed. So you need a fork. This is a tasty recipe for children and 1-year children and even small. So it's completed. Now I'm going to pour the milk and other items. Now see here. Is it good? Yeah, it's looking good. So now our banana pieces are ready. So now again take this dessert. You can eat off the leftover smashed bananas. Okay. I'm taking some amount of sugar for more taste. And you can okay, yeah, the sugar adding is also completed finally. Now we will go to our next step. So my milk is ready, which I made it before, and remove the spoon and keep it aside, and take this and slowly pour it into this. Wow, I love it. You might think what a combination, but it's good, and even some people might eat it when they are small. So like this, I poured it finally. So now I take a spoon again and I mix it well. Down also they have to be mixed with the milk. So after this, you need a fork. So I have a fork here. So here this recipe is ready. Can you see it, how tasty it looks? So taste it immediately and never delay it, and make it now. If you have banana and milk and sugar just, and no need of syrup. It's not compulsory. Children may ask that syrup, but I'm not forcing you to buy that. Just for taste purpose, and you need only 2 drops. And sugar is better than that all. So I'm adding some more. It looks good, right? See? Oh wow. You can arrange it on the bananas too. Oh shit. Oh. Yes, it's tasty. Wow. Is it good? So if you like this video, and if you like this recipe, and if you want to make it now, and if you like it tasty, please subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to click on the bell icon and like and comment if you have any doubts. And syrup is not needed. So children, you don't force your parents to bring this syrup. It's not needed. I have this syrup at my home, so I made it. So in this lockdown, you can make this easy recipe without any more ingredients and costly ingredients. This syrup is very less cost, but no need of that. Okay, bye bye. See you next week. At this part of the video, you can not only transform these banana pieces into other bowl with hand, you can also transform into a spoon. So you can use any others also. It's your wish. So if you like this recipe, taste it now at your home and easily make it.